Let's go through and take a look at an example. Let's imagine here that we're Mitsu and we're somebody who's created some pretty good ads. Here we've got one ad A that costs $25 to go through and make, maybe for the photographer and the model or her editing time. And then also she spent $50 on advertising for that ad. Ad B cost her $50 to make, maybe a bit more complex, more difficult to shoot, who knows, and $50 she spent on ad spend. Ad A resulted in $500 in orders, and ad B resulted in $1,000 in orders. We're assuming here that her margin is 30% for this particular business. With all of this information, we can go through and compare the effectiveness of these two different ads and whether or not she wants to keep doing this type of advertising in the future. So here we can go and take a look at the same formula, basically using this to calculate the profit, the sales she's getting multiplied by that margin, and then we can divide that by all of the costs involved in each different ad. This includes making each ad as well as the ad spend behind each of the two different ads too. So for ad A, we've got $500 here multiplied by that 30% margin as the profit coming in, and then we have $25 and $50 as the costs. Dividing this out, we have a 200% return on marketing investment for ad A. What this means is every dollar she spent on ad A resulted in $2 coming back in terms of profit. This is good. For ad B, we're going through and taking a look at $1,000 in terms of revenue coming in and multiplying that by the same margin, 30%. So we're getting $300 in profit. And we've got 50 and 50 as our costs. So dividing that out, we get 300% as her return on marketing investment for ad B. What this means is that every dollar spent on ad B resulted in $3 coming in terms of profit, which is awesome. So in this case, both of these ads are really successful, although ad B is more successful than ad A. And this suggests that perhaps the extra cost you spent making that, perhaps more complex or prettier ad was worth it.